Welcome to another holiday card series video. In this video, I'll show you how to make this simple holiday greeting card. Keep watching. Here are all of the supplies that you need to make this card. In theory, you could just use one black pen, but I used a thin pen to outline it and then a slightly thicker pen to fill everything in. And also the ruler is optional, but I found that helped me keep the lettering nice and straight. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out the design. As you can see, there are some faint lines that I had previously drawn in with my ruler just to make sure that the lettering was straight. Then, once I had everything drawn out, I switched over to my thin black pen. This is my favorite Faber-Castell pen in size S, which will be linked down below. Once I had everything outlined using my thin black pen, I switched over to a slightly thicker black Faber-Castell pen. This is in size B. And I simply colored in all of the letters. Once you have everything colored in, the final step is adding a red rhinestone in the middle of the top O to simulate a reindeer. If you don't have any rhinestones, another option would be to use a red pen and just draw a little red circle there. So I placed the rhinestone where I wanted it, and then once I was happy with the placement and layout, I just used some fast drying glue and I glued it on. And once the glue is dry, this simple holiday card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and video. Check out the description box below for a free template, and happy holidays.